Detectron2 in Artificial Intelligence and Computer Vision. AI Intermediate Advanced Level. Introduction. Modern computer vision systems often require advanced tasks such as object detection, image segmentation, instance segmentation, keypoint detection, panoptic segmentation. Building these systems from scratch can be very complex. To simplify development, researchers use powerful computer vision frameworks. One of the most advanced frameworks for computer vision research and production is Detectron2. Detectron2 was developed by Meta Platforms as a next-generation platform for object detection and segmentation. It provides tools for training, evaluating, and deploying state-of-the-art vision models. Detectron2 is widely used in AI research labs, autonomous vehicle systems, robotics vision systems, medical imaging analysis, large-scale computer vision applications. Understanding Detectron2 helps learners build advanced computer vision models efficiently. What is Detectron2? Detectron2 is an open-source computer vision framework used for object detection and image segmentation. In simple terms, Detectron2 equals a framework for building advanced computer vision models. Example concept. Image dataset means Detectron2 model means object detection, segmentation. Detectron2 includes implementations of many state-of-the-art algorithms. It is built on top of PyTorch, which provides flexible deep learning capabilities. Why Detectron2 is important? Training modern computer vision models involves many steps: dataset preparation, model architecture design, training pipelines, evaluation metrics, deployment. Detectron2 simplifies this process by providing ready-to-use tools. Example concept. Raw images means Detectron2 framework means trained vision model. This allows researchers to focus on improving models instead of building infrastructure. Key capabilities of Detectron2. Detectron2 supports many important computer vision tasks. These include object detection, instance segmentation, semantic segmentation, panoptic segmentation, keypoint detection. These capabilities make Detectron2 a powerful tool for advanced vision systems. Object detection with Detectron2. Detectron2 provides implementations of modern object detection algorithms. Example concept. Image means Detectron2 model means objects plus bounding boxes. Popular supported models include Faster RCNN, RetinaNet, Mask RCNN. These models detect objects and determine their positions within images. Instance segmentation. Instance segmentation identifies objects and separates each individual instance. Example concept. Image means Detectron2 means segmented objects. Example result. Car 1 segmented, Car 2 segmented, person segmented. Detectron2 supports instance segmentation using models like Mask RCNN. Semantic segmentation. Semantic segmentation labels each pixel in an image with a class. Example concept. Image means pixel labeling means segmentation map. Example labels: road, building, sky, pedestrian. Detectron2 includes advanced semantic segmentation models. Keypoint detection. Detectron2 can detect human body keypoints. Example concept. Human image means keypoints detected. Detected points include shoulders, elbows, wrists, knees, ankles. This enables applications such as pose estimation and motion analysis. Detectron2 architecture. Detectron2 uses deep learning models built on convolutional neural networks, CNNs. Example concept. Image, down pointing arrow, backbone CNN. Feature extraction, down pointing arrow, region proposal network, down pointing arrow. Detection, segmentation heads. down pointing arrow. Final predictions. The backbone network extracts visual features from images. These features are used for object detection and segmentation tasks. Detectron2 workflow. A typical Detectron2 workflow looks like this. Prepare dataset, down pointing arrow. Configure model, down pointing arrow. Train model, down pointing arrow. Evaluate performance, down pointing arrow. Run inference on new images. Detectron2 provides tools for each stage of this process. Example Python code. Detectron2 can be used with Python. Example concept. From Detectron2, engine import default predictor. From Detectron2, config import get underscore CFG. Import CV2. CFG equals get underscore CFG. Predictor equals default predictor. CFG. Image equals CV2, imred. Image.jpg. Outputs equals predictor. Image. This code loads a model and runs object detection on an image. Detectron2 model zoo. Detectron2 includes a model zoo, which provides pre-trained models. Example concept. Pre-trained model means faster experimentation. Developers can download models for tasks such as object detection, segmentation, keypoint detection. This saves significant training time. Real-world applications of Detectron2. Detectron2 is used in many real-world systems. Autonomous vehicles, detecting pedestrians, vehicles, and road objects. Robotics, helping robots understand their surroundings. Medical imaging, segmenting organs and detecting abnormalities. Smart cities, analyzing traffic and surveillance data. Agriculture, monitoring crops and detecting plant diseases. Advantages of Detectron2. Detectron2 provides several advantages. Advantages include state-of-the-art computer vision models, flexible architecture for research, fast training and inference, integration with PyTorch. Example concept. Detectron2 means advanced computer vision research. These features make Detectron2 popular among AI researchers. Challenges of Detectron2. Despite its strengths, Detectron2 also has challenges. Challenges include complex configuration system, high hardware requirements, GPU, steep learning curve for beginners. Example concept. Advanced framework means requires strong deep learning knowledge. However, once learned, Detectron2 is extremely powerful. Concepts learned from Detectron2. Understanding Detectron2 helps learners understand. Checkmark how advanced computer vision frameworks work. Checkmark how object detection and segmentation models are implemented. Checkmark how deep learning pipelines are structured. Checkmark how research-level vision models are trained. Checkmark how AI vision systems are deployed in real-world applications. Detectron2 is one of the most powerful frameworks for modern computer vision research. Simple definition. Detectron2, an open-source computer vision framework used to build advanced models for object detection, segmentation, and keypoint detection. Final summary. Detectron2 is a powerful computer vision framework developed by Meta for building state-of-the-art detection and segmentation systems. Built on PyTorch, it provides tools for training, evaluating, and deploying advanced computer vision models. With support for object detection, instance segmentation, semantic segmentation, and keypoint detection, Detectron2 enables developers to build sophisticated vision applications. Because of its flexibility and performance, Detectron2 is widely used in AI research and industry. Understanding Detectron2 is essential for working with advanced computer vision systems.